Good morning, students, and welcome to the class of English. Students, today we will again solve some questions based on sentence reordering. So, here on the screen is your first question. Have hours there been studying for we? So, if we rearrange, it becomes we have been studying for 3 hours. Now, here Jane does not only want, as a matter of fact, to go for the movies, she wants to come for the party also. So answer is QPSR, means Jane does not only want to go for the movie, as a matter of fact, she wants to come for the party also. Similarly here, as the situation has changed, since we last discussed this matter, it was best to contact you, it appeared to me, without losing time. So if we rearrange, PRQS is the right answer. When rescuers arrived at the ruins before the ground was, they had to wait several hours, cool enough to stand on. So correct answer, PRQS. When rescuers arrived at the ruins, they had to wait several hours before the ground was cool enough to stand on. Lakhs of students on all India basis from all over India which are held appear in the examination. Correct, QSRP. Lakhs of students from all over India appear in the examinations which are held on all India basis. There may be, for the continuation of a project not economically feasible, a strong political support, even though it is RPSQ. Many people that the government can always pay out money quite easily, that the government can only pay out money that it has received in taxes, seem to think. Option 3, that is RPSQ, is correct. The Buddha who had set views was opposed to all those or closed system of thought. Correct answer, RPQS. The Buddha was opposed to all those who had set views or closed system of thought. Since they are swayed considerations of career, the mental horizon of student has narrowed these days exclusively by SPQR. Since they are swayed exclusively by considerations of career, the mental horizon of student has narrowed these days. He is so kind and generous that he is not only makes others do so but also helps them themselves. Correct answer, PSRQ, means he is so kind and generous that he not only helps them himself but also makes others do so. Now this one, about 100 vintage beauties have been restored over the years, participate in the famous vintage car rally every year from the scrap, many of which. Correct answer, SPRQ. Children, you can take the screenshot and you can solve yourself also if you have any kind of doubt. If you need help, promptly and politely ask for a student attendance to help our customers who have instructions. Correct answer, QSRP. If you need help, ask for attendance who have instructions to help our customers promptly and politely. The two men were following and who were separated from the tigress by the rock when they saw me stop and turn my head a few yards behind me. Correct answer, the two men who were following a few yards behind me and who were separated from the tigress but the rocks stood still when they saw me stop and turn my head. RPSQ. People at his dispensary went to him of all profession for medicine and treatment. Correct option is D1, RQSP. Children, you can take screenshot and solve yourself. That would be fine. That's all for today. Thank you.